Introduction. If you had the trunk of an elephant or the wings of an albatross, that could you do? What could you do? In this book, you can find out how different animals use their wings, eyes, trunk, feet, arms, or tongue. The tongue of a frog. Why does a frog have a long tongue? A frog uses its long tongue for catching insects. A frog's tongue is half as long as its body. How does a frog use its tongue? A frog unrolls its tongue when it sees an insect move. Sticky pad. The tip of the tongue has a sticky pad on it. The insect sticks to the tongue pad. The feet of a kangaroo. Why does a kangaroo have big feet? A kangaroo uses its feet for jumping and for fighting. If you had the feet of a kangaroo, you could jump over 2 cars. A kangaroo also uses its tail. When it jumps, the heavy tail balances the rest of the body. You said you would only do it for a couple of minutes.
You're doing such a great job.
The eyes of a hawk. Why does a hawk need good eyesight? A hawk uses its eyes for finding food on the ground when it is flying. High in the air. If you were a hawk, you could see these dots from the other side of the classroom. Why does a hawk have good eyesight? At the back of the eye are tiny cones. They help the eye to see the color of objects. Clearly, a hawk has many more cones in its eyes. Then we have human eye, cones, hawk eye. A hawk can see much better than a human. The wings of an albatross. Why does an albatross have long wings? The long wings of an albatross allow it to glide through the air without needing to flap its wings. If you had the wings of an albatross, you could glide for many hours. How does an albatross use its wings to glide? After the albatross has taken off the windy air. It's stuck right here, Mom.
If
Lifts the wings, and the albatross rides on the air. An albatross glides easily when it is windy. However, it in calm with weather, an albatross cannot fly.
I did not know that.
The trunk of an elephant. Why does an elephant have a trunk? An elephant uses its trunk for drinking, eating, breathing, and washing itself.
Good.
How does an elephant use its trunk? Nostrils. An elephant blows and sucks air or water through the nostrils in its trunk. Lips. The trunk has 2 lips that the elephant uses like fingers to pick very small plants.
Good.
The arms of an octopus. Why does an octopus have suckers on its arms? An octopus uses its suckers on its arms for hanging onto rocks and coral.
Good.
If you had the arms of an octopus, you could hang from the ceiling. How does an octopus use its arms? The arms of an octopus have strong muscles for catching prey. Sucker. The suckers also have muscles inside them. They stick to the rock when the suckers are pressed against it.
Excellent. End of the book, page 16. Fantastic job. What is this called? Do you remember?
Index.
Good job.
Breathing, catching, drinking, eating, fighting, gliding, hanging, jumping, seeing, washing.
Excellent. 16 pages. What does the front of this book look like? Let's see. Amazing animals and amazing Robert. Thumbs up, Robert. Good job.